Hi DIYers, I'm Rowena from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing a bird. Any guesses what type of bird we're going to be drawing? This bird clucks and lays eggs. That's right, it's a chicken. Let's draw a chicken together. Let's start in the middle of the page. We're going to draw a gentle curve, just like that. Now we're going to join this curve together with almost like a semicircle shape, but as I go round, I'm just doing a little indent like that. And that's to represent the feathers. I'm just going to elongate that line afterwards, like that. Next, I'm going to go to this corner and go up from there, and we're going to draw a nice deep U shape like this. Then we're going to bring that round with a wobbly line, and then we're going to bring it down and round to the middle point of this wing and stop there. Let's go back up to the top here. We're going to go round like that, and that's our shape for now. If you need to pause the video because you want to take longer or you need more time, feel free, and then you can unpause it when you're ready to start again. So now we're gonna, on top of this little shape here, we're gonna go and draw a wiggly line like so. We're gonna then go out in like that and draw a beak. I'm gonna draw a circle for an eye. I'm going to draw a long oval shape like this coming downwards from the beak. We're going to put our pen in between the beak and the oval shape, bring it down, and draw a wiggly line connecting to that line we originally drew. Now let's go back down to our line that we didn't finish, and we're going to draw almost a squashed circle shape. And then we're going to connect these two together with a gentle curve, like so. Let's head to the bottom of our squash circle shape, and we're going to draw 3 little long noodly bits. Draw a small squash circle, and we're going to draw 3 little noodly bits again, like that. And our last thing to do is to draw a wiggly line like this. All right, there's our chicken. Let's colour it in. I'm going to draw mine a browny orange colour. And there we go. We've got our chicken. What colour chicken did you draw and how many feathers? Let me know in the comments.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. And head to DIY.org to access fun creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations online with a like-minded community of kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.